Hello, my name is Joellen Williams and I am the curator for the Bentley Rare Book Museum. Since we can't host our normal open house programs right now, I decided that I would provide you all with some remote access to a couple pieces that I would have brought to our open house program entitled This Should Not Have Survived. The first item that we are looking at today is called a broadside. Broadsides are works printed on a single sheet, usually intended for posting and advertisement. This broadside is from 1799, and it is informing us that Lord Oliver Cromwell's head is currently on display. Lord Cromwell died in 1658, but he was exhumed from the grave and beheaded for treason as mandated by Charles II. This piece is extremely rare because it is likely the only copy of this broadside still in existence. Broadsides are meant for temporary advertising, so they generally do not survive. This is an 1848 edition of Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre. I love this piece because, first and foremost, I love the book Jane Eyre, but more importantly, for our purposes, this book has survived in great condition. This is a Collins classic book, as we see by the dust jacket. Dust jackets are extremely valuable because they generally do not survive. People remove them, they rip, etc. This simple paper dust jacket is in great condition. The dust jacket also gives us clues about the history of reading. As we can see, Collins Classics has chosen to list the other titles that they've published, and there are a lot. This is common in the 19th century, as we see publishing companies producing copious amounts of books using cheaper materials than in past years. This makes books more affordable to the average person. The size is also quite small, which suggests that the publishing company intended people to travel with this book and use it while they ride a train or something like that. Lastly, this book contains illustrations. Often I think we associate children's books with illustrations. However, adult books were often illustrated during this time period. One of the most famous illustrators of the Victorian age was George Cruikshank, who illustrated works by Charles Dickens and countless others. Thank you for attending this miniature edition of Rare Book Open House. To all of our patrons, we miss you dearly, and we look forward to seeing you hopefully in the coming months. If you'd like to contact us or need more information about the Bentley Rare Book Museum, please visit rarebooks.kennesaw.edu or email us at rarebooks@kennesaw.edu.